In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Trick's navigation, use this button on the left. Now click on the icon of an app and select Open in split screen view. Lastly, tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!